Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. You know what I love most about what I do? Getting the chance to show off some seriously impressive Class B RVs like this one right here. This is the brand new Coachmen Galleria with the rear bath floor plan. And man, it's something special. This is the very first rear bath version of the Galleria, built on the reliable Mercedes Sprinter chassis. It's a full 24 feet long and comes loaded with a huge rear bathroom, twin beds that convert into one big comfortable bed, a large refrigerator, lithium batteries, upgraded suspension, and just about every upgrade a Sprinter van enthusiast could ask for. Coachmen has built a strong reputation for making some of the best Class B vans on the market today. They keep raising the bar every single year with new floor plans, fresh options, better suspension upgrades, and smart, thoughtful features that actually make life on the road easier and more enjoyable. The whole RV community pays close attention to what they're doing, and it's easy to see why. Today, I'm excited to give you a complete tour of this stunning Galleria rear bath model. We're going to walk around the entire outside, step inside, and check out all the thoughtful details, especially that impressive rear bathroom that really sets this one apart. We're filming today at a big RV show in a beautiful wooded area surrounded by tall trees. This natural setting really shows how this van is meant to be enjoyed, out in nature, peaceful and relaxed. Exactly the kind of place where you want to spend quality time. This floor plan is brand new, and this is one of the very first units available for sale. The exterior on this one is that sleek selenite gray finish, and it looks sharp and modern. Coachmen has added the van Compass Falcon 4.3 adjustable suspension system on both front and rear. You can fine-tune it at both ends, and the difference is huge. It smooths out bumps and rough roads while keeping excellent stability. It simply doesn't feel like you're driving a big 24-foot RV. The ride is that much more composed and enjoyable, even on long highway stretches. Under the hood sits the latest high-output 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. A lot of people still think 4 cylinders can't perform as well as the older 6-cylinder engines, but modern engineering has completely changed the game. This engine actually delivers better fuel economy, stronger usable power, and more torque than the previous 6-cylinder version in many real-world situations. I've driven both back-to-back, and this new high-output 4-cylinder feels noticeably more responsive and confident on highways and in the mountains. It's really impressive German engineering at its best. This model comes equipped with 660 amp-hours of high-quality lithium power, a 3,000-watt inverter, roof-mounted solar panels, and an underhood generator for backup when needed. It's the flagship of the Galleria lineup at 24 feet. Coachmen also offers the 22-foot Beyond, the 20-foot Nova, and the smaller Pixel models in both 20-foot and 18-foot versions. But this rear bath Galleria is their largest and most feature-packed option yet. What really stands out about Coachmen is the consistent quality you get across all their models. From the smallest to this big one, you receive the same premium Amish-built cabinetry, excellent insulation, reliable lithium batteries, high-quality components, and the same careful attention to detail in hardware and color schemes. They don't cut corners anywhere, and that dedication is exactly why so many people have come to trust the Coachmen name for their van life adventures. Looking at the outside, you've got a smooth power awning that extends easily, dual rear wheels for added stability, upgraded black alloy wheels that look great, and of course that upgraded suspension underneath. There's also a convenient 110-volt power hookup right here, perfect when you want to run the awning or charge up quickly. This layout makes camping feel easy and enjoyable. You can extend the awning, set out a couple of comfortable chairs, and just relax in a peaceful spot like this one while taking in the beautiful surroundings. When you're ready for a hike or to explore, you can quickly retract the awning, lock everything up, and head out knowing the multiple cameras are keeping a watchful eye on the van. One of the biggest highlights of this new floor plan is the spacious rear bathroom. Coachmen really put extra thought and attention into this area. From the outside, you can already see the generous, deep storage compartments on both sides, giving you plenty of room for gear, tools, leveling blocks, and all kinds of supplies you need on the road. Coachmen is growing fast in the Class B world because they keep listening to what actual RV owners want and continue delivering better and better vans every year. If you're thinking about stepping into premium Sprinter van life, this rear bath Galleria is definitely worth checking out in person. Drop a comment below and let me know. Would you prefer this rear bath layout, or do you like a different floor plan better? Have you had a chance to drive one of the new 4-cylinder Sprinters yet? Thanks so much for watching the full tour. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more in-depth RV walkthroughs, and I'll see you in the next video. Safe travels out there.